Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're teaching you how to make flyers using Canva. I've already started a series on Canva. If you new to my channel, this will be strange, but if you're not new to my channel, you should have seen that I have a playlist for Canva that talks about making designs using Canva, and I've explained the Canva interface and how to go about it. Everything on the interface, I explained it. I've talked about how to make logos, I've talked about how to make posters, and today we'll be talking about how to make flyers. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to my team so that you can have access to the Canva Pro, so that you can make other sophisticated designs using Canva. All right, straight up to flyer, you can just click on it and it takes you to this place, design and print flyer, or you can go straight to this place that say create a design, whereby you can customize your design if you know the size you're using. Depending on the type of flyer you're creating, you can type the size in pixels, or you can go as well and use that of inches. So when you go, you just type it there and you hit on create design, and it gives you what you want. But I want to use the template from there, so I have a lot of templates created when I tapped on create a flyer by using the customized template in Canva. Over my screen, you should know this. If you don't know what all this means, just check the description. There is a link on how to use a Canva. That is, I just explain how to use this Canva. I explain everything here so that I won't waste much time in this video. I'll go straight to the reason why we are doing this video, making flyers. So now all these are elements you can attach to your designs. At the end of this video as well, I'll be animating all this so that you can change it to video, so that you can use it on your WhatsApp status. You can use it anywhere you want. All right, so now first of all, which one should we design on the screen? They are all beautiful flyers, but I know you say, I would like to learn how to make these. Which features was used to put this one here? How come we having this sign here? All these, you see, when I move around, they try to tell you they are all elements. Yes, when it comes to Canva, they are called elements, and all these are pictures inside elements, and all. Then this as well, it's very easy to make. It's not difficult. Then here too, this one is what we'll be designing. I'll be showing you how to make it, though I will not show you the full design from scratch, but how to make this and how to drag them and all they come about, getting all these stuffs here. We're going to make them. All right, first of all, let me just add a page so that we can start this same design from scratch. Now if you look at this place, we have delicious, but we have a background all white, so which is same as the white background, but we need to add this one here. So I'm going to click in here. You see, I just double tap on it. It's going to show you some things. So that is an image. So look at it. It's an image that was attached. So I'm just going to just double tap on it again so that I come back to the original size. I need to add a frame first. So I'll go to my element. I will add the frame. So I'll come here to this place and type frame. So type on my frame. I'll hit on enter. Then when the frame comes up, I'm moving ahead because if you look at this place, it's a frame like this nature. So pick this from here. Okay, let me come here. Why I come to the side, I'll pick this frame. Why it's in this place, I'll move it here. I'll put it at this angle. Then I'll pull it from the side so that I look this way. I'll bring it this way. So now I have that ready. Now you see it covers to this side, so I want it to cover to that side as well. So I'll bring it to this side. I'll put it to somewhere like this. Something like this. But if you don't like it's taking much of your space, there is no need to panic. All you have to do is just come here and type half frame so that we can use it. Half HALF, then frame, half frame. So this is exactly what we want. So we want something like this or something like this. So let me see what was given. Okay, something like this was used. Something like this was used. So I'll pick this, I'll pull this one here. Then we have that frame ready. Now pull this by the side. I'll bring it this way, drag it out very well. Then when I'm good to go, I'll take it up. Then I'll turn it over this place like this. Then I'll bring this one here. I'll bring this one here as well. Trying to just get what I want so that we get the original stuff. So I'll keep on pulling the side till I get what I want. Then I'll bring it this way. Then since I'm good to go, I could just bring this one from here and take it higher. Okay, so now we have that ready. We have this shape ready. Now it's to fill it with something like food, or so let's come here and say food, restaurant. So at this element I'm going to type food, restaurant. depending, there's some searches that have been given. So I'll pick one of these dark one and see which one tallies with it. So let's say we'll not be using exactly that one because we don't want to waste time trying to find that. So now I'll pick this from here. Let me say I'll see from here. You can use all, but I'm feeling something beautiful and something classy. Let me just see all. Depending on my network strength, sometimes you can take your time. So let me say this is what I want. I'm going to tap on it. So for you to use it, just drag it from here, bring it to this place and fill it in, and you have it like this. So what I'll do now is to just reduce the shadow, because it seems this one is very darker. If I don't like it, all I'll do is to just detach the image by right clicking on it, and I delete it immediately. Then I move on to a better one if there is better one, or I bring this one here and I put it in here. Oh, let's say this is what we want. So the next thing to do is I'll click on it, I'll edit the photo, I'll move down to this place called blur. I'll reduce the intensity of the blur by just taking it this way. So now I have that, I can move on to writing delicious food menu. So but I don't have much time to spend. I'll just copy all this that was here. Why just lock this by locking, click on it and lock it. So I'll copy this from here, just say Ctrl C, then I'll come into my design, I'll put it Ctrl V. We have that like this. So though we're not having the beauty of it because of the choice of image we use, which anytime we can change, just trying to show you something. If you don't like it, you can move around here, or let's say, let me first of all detach this image and let me delete it. Let me see if this one will give me a perfect okay, let me see if this one will give me a perfect design. Okay, this one tried, but it's still a bit funny. Let me just get out from there. Just find a perfect image I can use. But anyway, if it's taking my time, let me come here and right click on this. Okay, I'll unlock this. I'll unlock this one because I don't want it to be locked. I'm going to come here. I'm going to say detach image. Then I'll press Ctrl C. I'll come down to my image, press Ctrl V. Then I'll fill it in here by just dragging it, and we have that ready. Then I'll bring this one again as well and fill it in by moving around and leave it there. So now we have that ready. You can see everything, delicious food. You can see what they use, mist really and stuff like that. So now you have that. The next thing is to add all these stuff like this. All these are just frames, simple frames you can use. So I'll come straight to this place at the element. I'm going to tap on frames. So frames, round frames or circular frames. Anyone you want to use, circle frame. So I'll wait for this frame to come up, then I'll pick any of these. They all have side border, so I'll see all and find the one I'll use. If I want to use a different one, I can decide to use any of this one. I can decide to use star frame. I'll move on. If I want to use this, I can pick this. Just pick anyone you want from here to your own taste and to your own satisfaction. You can keep on moving till you see something like that. If you don't see something like that, you just move on to your design. So let me say I want to use this one. I think I should use this. So I'll pick this. I'll press Ctrl X. Because I'll cut it there, then I'll put it here, Ctrl V, then I'll put this one here. If I don't like it, then I need this food here. I'll just detach, I'll Ctrl C it, I'll copy it, then I'll press Ctrl V here, then I'll just move it inside here. Then from here I could reduce the size of this and bring it to this place. Why make a copy of this as well, bring it to this side, make a copy, then I'll put it this side. So that is just how to put all this stuff together. Why this place, I bring it in here and just put it there, then this I wipe it off the screen. So now we have this, we've added this. Now this one, what do we call it? You can pick it or you can search for it. Let's come to this place. Let's write a geometric shape, geometric points. Let's see what we have. If we have something like that, if we have something good, we can use it. So let's come to all dots. Okay, let us just write dots dots. We need many dots we can use. Okay, see one here. This one is a good example. I'll move around this place. I'll pick this and just put it around the side. Then I'll come straight to the color and make it white. So now we've seen that. We'll just drag it to the side and we have that stylishly added. So we have this one ready. There's still another dot by this side, which is at the yellow. I will not want to waste much time. All I'll do is make a copy of this, bring it to this side, then come and alter the color from here by picking one of this yellow here. Then it becomes so beautiful. So all these have been created. If you don't like this because I don't like the choice of color that was used in this border, you can as well just get it off and restart the process. This is just a tutorial that you can do basically some stuff. So how to make this one is so simple, no big deal. All you have to do is just put a circle. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Now come straight to this place, the test, not test element. I'm going to type circle. Just write circle is good. You type circle. Then when the circle comes up, you pick one of the circle of your choice and fill it in with any color you feel like filling it in, and you move. So now this is what we're using. We need a circle here. I'm going to make it smaller. So over this place we have this color filled with something like orange. I don't know much color anyway. So now this is what we have. I'll make it, let me just make it this way. Then I'll add my test. Let me bring these. So it's in $sign. I'm saying $18. That's going to be $18 for that meal. Then when I'm good, I'll pick it and put it in here. So let me see. Okay, that's white. I'm going to make this color from here. I'm going to make it all white. So now it's white. Now I'll pick both of them like this. Then I will group it if I feel like. Then I'll make it smaller this way. So that is just the trick about it. It's not difficult to do. Then you move on to adding all these to their shapes. You can go, if you want to add other shape, you've seen some design you want to add to your design. It's not difficult. Go straight to design from here. Then you move on to this place. If you want to add some design, you can replace design. Remember, immediately tab is going to replace all your design. So be careful, or just hit on Ctrl Z, because I won't want to make such mistake. Move down again and just go back one step. It's back. So be careful when you're adding design and when you're adding element. So now you have that. Almost the same with this. The next is to just keep on writing everything you want to write, and you have your design ready. I believe you've learned how to make all these same way applicable to this other. Now this one is just a round circle with dot. Let me show you how to make this dot in case you want to add dots to your shape and you find it difficult. So you come straight to the element, just a circle, the same way I told you. So add this shape, then at this shape you could come to this place like this and make it this way. That is it. Then at the filling, you can decide to just make sure it's totally no color, and at this color here you can make it white, this one here. So all you have to do is to make it white dot, and that is how to get that stuff like this. Hope it's very simple. So same way this one, you know how it's red. In case you don't know how it's red, it's simple. How that stuff become red is here you search for what? Frame. So from the frame, when the frame comes up, you wait for this to load. When it loads, the next thing is to just find one with the red frame, just see all, and find one with this outline, or better still, just a frame with outline to make it the search query faster. So frame with outline will come up soon. You can just add circle. You know, these search are wonderful, so you can put anything there, and we're good to go. So now this one you don't like it. Okay. This one is not giving us what we want. See one here. You can decide to pick this one here by clicking on it. Just drag it in here and put it there. Then you can add image by, let me just detach this and put it, fill it in this one here. So now the outline, you can click on it, then you can change the color from here to something like this, red. So that's how we have that. Then later I'll find one with the lighter border. This border is too thick. Just search that with one with lighter border and you add it to this. There is no separation. There's a type of food that was used here. That's why you see the distance in between the shape. Look as if it's padded. All right. So now you've learned all this one. They are all shapes. No need. Just find just go there and type fork. This element, type fork, F-O-R-K. So when F-O-R-K comes up, you'll see a lot of things. Just pick one of them from this place, use it there, put your circle there, and add all stuff you want to add, and you're good to go. I believe you've learned a lot from this video. So if you want to join the Canva Pro team with my team, all you have to do is just go straight to the description. There is a link to the Telegram. Join the Telegram. From there, you follow me on Twitter as well. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. All things you could do, then meet me on WhatsApp so that we can become friends. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in other videos that talk about this. Anyway, let me just talk about brochures and social media posts. I didn't talk about animating this picture. I'll talk about that in the next video, how to animate all these things so that you can send them as video to your friend. This one slide in, this one slide out. You play music behind it. Just subscribe so that you get notified when I make the next video. Thank you for watching.